The warning "high voltage battery performance limited, okay to drive" means that the battery management system in your Tesla has registered anomalies in the EV battery pack, and the car is sure there is a problem with certain sections of the battery. First of all, when you see the message, it's not dangerous to drive further, but the driving range on a single charge will be reduced. Also, if the battery is discharged to less than 30%, it can show our own estimated range. So it's a good idea to keep it charged at around 80% in this condition. There are basically two main reasons why this may happen. First of all, this message may pop up when you leave the car sitting for more than a week. In this case, once you turn on the car, the battery management system notices that there is a significant difference in the state of charge of the EV battery because it has been degrading naturally when the car was sitting. Let's say it was 80% charged when you left it, and now it's 65% charged. For the brain of your Tesla, it's a disaster since it knows that the vehicle was stationary, but the state of charge changed dramatically. That's why you may see this warning, but in this case you may just charge it to 100% or to 85% and keep driving. After several charge cycles, the system may get back to normal and the warning may disappear. The second problem is the broken sections in the battery. This is especially common when you get this message all of a sudden in a fairly new car with something like 2000 miles on the odometer. In this case, you have a faulty battery that was initially defective and you need to make an appointment with the dealership. They will most likely install the new battery pack under warranty. Things go south when your vehicle is out of the warranty and you have this message. It may mean that the battery is seriously worn out and requires replacement, or at least some sections of the battery require replacement. The minimum battery warranty is 10 years or 100,000 miles, but it may be even longer depending on the model and year. But without the warranty coverage, such a repair will cost you quite a lot, so owners often choose to drive further with a limited range instead of investing in a new battery.